Hello, Team Kadubado. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. I'm stopping by while I'm doing my workouts to do that video to show you that beautiful flamboyant tree who stands strong and firm. You know why? It's for all the dads. It represents for me the dads who's been taking care of the children. I'm giving you a big applause. You do your duties, you do what you're supposed to do for your child. I am proud of you. Keep up the good work. Keep up the good works. Okay? Keep up the good work. And please subscribe to my channel, share with friends, and then I wanted to say something. When I was opening my channel, Kadubado, I said Kadubado is gonna talk about everything, but she's not going to do politics. Do you know why? Everybody is doing politics. Everybody is talking about politics, but someone have to do something different. So I decided to talk about everything, plant and then build and no politics. So it's a good thing. It's not bad, guys. So it's time to change. It's time we're talking about politics, but there's no change. If you analyze and you think, do you see change? No. The only change you can see is when we work together and then we build something. We need to stop talking now. We need to start building. Please help Kadubado and Kombit Road to build that library for the kids in Malfetti. Look, summer arrived. Those kids will not have nothing to do. So please help Kadubado. So guys, happy Father's Day, and happy Father's Day to all the fathers in the whole world, and all to my other friends. So enjoy your Father's Day. See you soon. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, to share, to comment, and to fund the library. See you soon. Bye.